Interesting trading day. We have a very narrow range. I want to show you what happened right at the open. That was we have this in the first 8 minutes. We had the full day's entire range in the first 8 minutes of the day session. Overall, the day session was about, I think, 16 points, but it all happened in the first 8 minutes. And gap mirror got stopped out, as well as gap fill. So you see this entire range first 8 minutes, and then just slowed move towards the highs, and now at the end of the day, it's a rollover. It's a summer type trading pattern. Not a lot of direction or trend or tone to the market. And gap mirror 2020 and gap fill master both lost 525 on the day. Tick count trend gained 362.50 on the day, capturing these counter trend moves. Plus 112 on tick count trend 5-minute version. Cobra CT3 bought the dip. It's plus 175, but has an open position. Just such a slow, narrow day. Adaptive moving average long, right around break even, plus 75. Night trader long from overnight. You see these. It's interesting as you see these wild moves. I want to show you this. So you see this big range in a short period of time. Big range in a short period of time. This was the day session open right here. And so you're getting these a sell-off, and then a rally and a sell-off, a rally and a sell-off, a rally and a sell-off. And so, these rallies are rejected here at all-time highs. There's some profit taking, it looks like. It's hard to imagine there's a lot of eager buyers at all-time highs right here. I guess we could see another surge. The market has gone much higher for much longer than we anticipated, so it could turn around and break out to new highs with a lot of energy, but it just seems kind of dead right in here. Just watching the tape. You have AT 2021 short, AT 2021 short only. Also short, those are minus 237.50 on the day. AT 2019 minus 137.50 on the day. And Asia 4 long minus 250 on the day. And these are the trades in the first ES workspace. Tick fader, good job taking the counter trend trade, buying that dip plus 375. Night Trader VSD also long with Night Trader plus 262.50. And those are the trades in ES2. NQ, AT 2020 NQ minus 725. And then Gap Continuation 2020 minus 325. Stock Index Swing minus 1025. NQ2, 60-minute breakout plus 800. Plus 1185 on 60-minute breakout B. VSD long only plus 140. VSD long short, capturing the short and then the long trade plus 1785. EVP1 taking several trades today, minus 900, currently short. And then the gap continuation big stop loss minus 725. Viper 2008 minus 435, still short. Exhaust and reverse long on the day plus 387.50 open position. No trades in silver. You see this big flash move in the metals. Massive sell-off in gold and silver. Let's take a look at the old and the optional workspaces are right here, kind of out of order. Those are some of the old and optional strategies that we track. Copper. Now these workspaces are out of order. Minus 425 on copper. Metals just getting slammed, and our bullish thesis based on inflation is not that great. It's just something that we talk about. It's not what we're trading. Cobra crude aggressive, minus 725, big sell-off. The sell-off continues in the energies as well. Energies and metals are getting slammed. Euro down on the day, minus 287.50. Gold flash, minus 3,300. Big flash sell-off last night in the metals markets. And so that's the only trade. We don't trade this in the portfolio right now, so that's not being traded. And then natural gas, we were stopped out on this trade right here. Minus 745 on this session. And so you see we're in here. Trade was closed lower than its entry price on Friday. It has an $875 stop loss. So it's down about 130 at the close on Friday, and then minus 745 today is the overall trade result for natural gas. And then RBOB, no trades. Silver, no trades in a wild market. Soybeans day trader 3, One of the highlights on the day, up 262.50 per contract. So those are the trades on the day, a bit choppy and down on the day. And the 200K portfolio, and let's take a look again where we are here going into the close. Just continued chop, just sitting at the highs. Really, if you look at the day session, the range right here is right at 15.25 points. Friday gapped up sideways. Today we gap up and then just continue to move higher and stay up here near the highs. In narrower and narrower ranges, we've seen this video before. Closing bell there. We've seen this video before where as the market continues to move higher, the ranges in VIX go smaller and smaller until we get to a point where massive volatility is introduced into the market again. So we shall see how this trade plays out. We're in the middle of the month, in the middle of August, and we are not that far from equity peaks recently in some of the portfolios. And so let me check the results on the 50K portfolio. So the 50K portfolio is down a couple hundred today. You see Cobra CT3 plus 1125 open position on 3 contracts, while it lost 1625 on 3 contracts. Or these are 5 contract trades actually. 5 contracts on Cobra CT3, 5 on gap continuation. So it's down about $100 on the 50K portfolio today. Let me check the 200K portfolio. Showing down about $2,200 today on the 200K portfolio right at the close. So it is 4:03 Eastern Standard Time. Those are the trades on the day for August the 9th, 2021.